Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
钱
First, let's look at the pronunciation of this character.
钱七一安钱钱前面前面我坐在你的前面我坐在你的前面前方前方前方发生了车祸前方发生了车祸从前从前从前森林里住着一个公主从前森林里住着一个公主。
Now let's write this Chinese character. Make the upper part overall flatter to leave space for the lower part. This is a commonly used Chinese character. Its original meaning refers to the front side, and the direction of movement, opposite to back. In Chinese culture, it symbolizes the positive ideas of forging ahead, making progress, and striving upward. And it also has two meanings: spatial direction and time sequence. Pay attention to this stroke. It must be written long. Time flies. See you next class.